just doing another lonely video with Mollie.
Yeah.
So we did do one last night, but it was too long, so we couldn't put it on.
So Holly's going to show a video by crimping my hair.
Tutorial. I hope this doesn't go wrong and it rips the hair out like that girl did with the curling iron. Did you not see that where she curled her hair and then she
I'm scared now.
too high and
I'm scared.
Yeah, but your hair's
Gone.
okay. So you have to take one bit of the person's hair, like a tiny bit, and you have to get to the top bit and you have to press down for about 20 seconds.
20 seconds? That'll burn my hair off.
Or about 15, 12. And then it should look a bit like that. If you see in the light there. Might burn a bit. Yeah. It's not actually on a high level. Or just like for about 12 seconds, because I don't think that's that long. But 20 seconds is quite long and it might burn your hair. But what the level we've got is
2 against 4.
No, 4.
Oh, she said 2 against 4.
Yeah, at the start. So you can see that her hair is and I'm doing this because I've just reached 12 subscribers, which is awesome. So please subscribing or I'll kill you.
Go to Musically. She does really good funny ones. She showed me last night.
Or I'll kill you with the crimpers.
Quick, Holly, go!
And then you take the same bit, but you go down until the bottom of the hair. So it's my hair. Is it hurt? Like
now?
Burn. It's like really
It's
hot.
warm.
Yeah, it's
It
hot.
warms my ears up. Sven's here with us as well.
And when we get to the bottom of the hair, you just need to put it on for like 5 seconds because it's got a loads hotter about that time. And then it should come out. Wait, turn your head a bit more like that. So you can see.
Sorry about the light.
Yeah, the light's a bit low too.
Because we're near the window at the back, if you can see. And the bedroom is a tip, by the way.
It is always a tip.
Because I slept last night and we had a bit of a party. Right, let's get to it.
And then this bit's, I think, the trickiest bit. Because if you have a fringe, just don't do that bit.
No way.
Try and get the same bit because I need to get the proper. Oh, sorry. I was murdering her.
I was murdering her.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all you need to do is like take like a small chunk of it. Like at least that bit. So if you go to the top and if it comes off, not that much will come off.
Yay, my hair is crimped.
But we're just like, because your mum will be like, why have you crimped your hair? Do you want me to do that bit?
No. No.
Why, do you not like it? A bit?
I don't like it.
A bit?
No! Only the bottom bit.
It's a bit.
Yeah.
Right, so you take this bit, the bit that you just crimped, and you hold that up there, well the person holds it there. Our hairs are really messy when we do it, and then you see professionals do it and you're like, oh my gosh. And then you look back to your video, it's horrible. Like this might touch your ear, but...
Make sure it doesn't. What's the bottom of my nose?
Great. Lovely. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At this point you're going to start wanting to go to about...
I can feel the warmth on my ear.
12 seconds. Still. So you see...
Woo!
Is it hurt?
No, it's too hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's too hot. I'll turn it down a bit of a level because it's getting like a bit
over the top.
I put them on about 6. It goes up to 10.
Go!
Go! So you take that same bit, doesn't matter if the other bit of crimped hair is in the way, and you just hold it down for about 12, 15 seconds. 8, 9, 10.
I can feel the warmth on my ear.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
You said 15 or 12?
I said 20. And then
You
if
did
you
not.
feel against the person's hair, it burns your hand, but you can feel
It burns
like,
it might burn your ear, but the warmth it will go away.
yeah, if you just like sit it to the side of your hair.
So guys, we've got another 10 minutes on this video, okay?
Yeah, 10 minutes, because we have to go and drop Mollie off soon. Aww.
Right, get back to the crib.
You nearly knocked that.
Come
And then
on.
we'll style her hair and look like Miranda sings.
No.
The makeup hardly comes off when she does that. But it does, because Miranda sings does it, but you know. And we will be doing another video with Madison today. When Mollie's gone, because we don't like Mollie. Oh, that's nice.
I'm gonna chase her around the school field when I see her on Monday.
No, you're not.
Here I am.
You're not
Chase you around the whole
basically
road.
not the school field or the road, because I don't know where you live.
Yeah, you do. She does. She just lies.
I lie all the time. I'm not honest, like Santa said.
Yeah, she had a little video from Santa and I saw it, and she's going to be honest.
Oh, your hair looks nice.
Yeah.
Right, turn to the side. Look at me. Like half side, you can see what it looked before. So you can see Mollie's hair straight,
And
and if you turn to that side,
is
it's crimped. Do you want me to keep going all the way around your hair?
Yeah, because it would look literally odd. So I've got to tell Mum now.
And then you'll be like, Mum, we were doing a video, yeah? Yeah? You talk Jamaican.
I think
Do you
this
know Lady
cow's
C's
dead.
Jamaican?
Yeah.
It's weird. And we stayed up till 1:30 a.m. And if you saw my Musically,
It's so funny. She's like that.
I love you so much. I go, my mama don't like you, but she likes everyone. And I turned it to Ruby. And I turned it back and,
Come on,
and I
Holly!
went.
Come on.
Because we need to get this done. And let's put it on 4 again, because it's going like less
Okay.
crimpier.
It won't hurt on the back. It was just near my ear.
It'll probably hurt your head. Oh, I hate your parting now.
Why?
Like your part, if I just take like one bit, whole chunk comes down. I need to get like that bit. I like Scarlet. I told her that my mum hated her. But she does, and then my mum said that... What? That hurt your head?
No.
No. It's not only...
My mum didn't give me a toothbrush. Oh well.
No.
No. She
My
was
dad
running.
packed it.
No, she didn't. He didn't. My mum packed it.
I was going to say, imagine your dad packing your own. So, you turn too much, mate. So, just do a little bit of your hair like that. But you might have a lot more time. We only have like 12 minutes, at least.
My mama don't like
You're watching like everyone. We'll probably stop at 14 and we'll like say our goodbyes. And thank you.
And then we'll just carry on.
Yeah, but I think that when you do like videos with me on Musically, you don't get that many hearts. And that's sad. And I'll be doing a video on Christmas as well, Christmas haul. So then you can see all the gifts I got from Santa Claus. Okay.
So basically like a Christmas vlog.
Yeah, like basically a Christmas haul, like a shopping haul. That's like, you know when you just finish the side and then you, oh my gosh, that looks like you've got gold in the middle, white, brown, gold. It looks weird. Yeah, I hate your parting. No offence.
I can part it properly, but
You know.
I've not had a brush. No, I don't
If
want
it hurts your head, just tell me, I don't care.
You don't care. If I lose my hair.
No. And then you'll be bald and look like Gollum. And guys, I might not be doing that many videos at the minute because I've got tonsillitis again. So. I might not be able to crimp all of the back bit 'cause it's quite hard.
Okay. Right.
So I'll just try and do this side now. Just this side's nice. Right, lift Ched up. Lift Ched up.
Is that Ruby's?
Who?
Is it Ruby's?
Ruby's crimper.
Nah.
Yeah, of course it is. No, it's my crimper. That's hers. That baby Amber isn't. That's fine.
Is that what George Wax said?
Yeah. No, we were playing on the stools, yeah, guys, and then we were kicking each other, and then I thought it would be funny to kick him a little bit harder on the stool, and then he fell off and whacked his head against the Ruby's cardboard. I need to press this one hard because it's not really doing anything. You can see I'm shaking. Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
You finished it?
No. Maybe I'll just give you like a little plait at the end.
No.
No, do you not like plaits?
No.
Hate
I
them.
do. I like them, but I
And
don't. It doesn't suit me in my way of hair.
I like the one where you take it to the side and then you said, I hate it because one bit's curly and the other bit's not. Sometimes I do.
If I do that, mine's too short, so then it all comes out. You finished?
No, I just need to finish this back bit so you can turn around again now.
My mama don't like you.
She likes everyone, and I never like to admit that one. And it's caught up in my Yeah, I just need to like press it down really hard, otherwise it won't crimp properly.
Don't pull my hair out.
So make sure you put it on for like 15 seconds and you like press it down really hard or you'll be crimping nothing.
Are we doing it?
Imagine if someone could
Have we
like...
done it?
No!
Oh.
Right, but if it just, the bottom bit at the back just still needs doing.
We've got 2 more minutes left on the video, so pause it if you need to.
Can't. That's what I hate about my tablet. It doesn't pause. So then if you're doing
No,
something...
at those guys at home who wants to look at this video.
Why would they need to pause it?
Because they might.
And you can skip the video if you don't want to see all this bit. And you can see the end results.
You might even watch the first bit because then you'll get the idea of it all going.
Oh, that really looks really nice.
Do you like it?
So we need to turn the crimp off before my mum kills me.
Right, so this is the end of the video, guys. And I'll say my byes and Holly will say her byes. Bye, see you
No,
later.
not yet.
Alligators.
And thank you for the 10 subscribers. It's been a real pleasure to be on YouTube. And up to 20 subscribers. Bye. Please like,
Subscribe.
Like, subscribe and comment. Bye.